go.
All right, last week we started working on the rat bike. We were going to add these lights just for effects mostly. We didn't get a chance. Well, we had them all on there. We found out we had a low battery issue on the bike. The bike's been sitting for about a year. So we tested the battery. The battery's no good. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put the lights back on. We're going to finish up this video by putting the lights back on. And then we're just going to use a car battery to test the lights once we get them on there. That'll tell us that if we hook up a good battery to the bike, then we know everything's going to work proper. So we have a nice charged up, full size 12 volt, well, it's a marine battery.
Yeah, deep cell.
Yep, that we're going to try to use. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to put these lights on the rat bike.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get access to our future videos. Let's get it done.
Thank you. Tough. Alright, so here's some of the products that we're going to be using today. We have some LED lights. These are green. And these are the ones that we're going to be putting on the additional ones we're going to be adding to the military bike. This is it's like a pink, red, and then this is another green. We're going to add those to the rat bike. We also want to, so we have this little set here. These are heat shrink tubes for your wiring. Keeps it nice and dry. We don't really ride these in wet weather, but if we did, they'd be dry. And we got some zip ties here. Now these are probably way too long for what we're doing, but it's all we have right now, so we're going to use it. And then we're going to use the heat gun to shrink all that stuff up and make it watertight.
Alright, so we stripped these wires.
Yep.
We're going to hook them to the yellow wire because that's going to be our positive wire going to the switch, right?
Yes. I know most time people use red.
Got a runner. What was it? Nothing important though, right?
That was my...
oh, your tube.
Yes.
It's right there by his feet.
Yeah, a lot of times use red. This one's red. This one's green. We got red, green, and yellow.
Plus, I wanted to show you that, guys, this. If you come over to our wire rack, we're kind of running a little bit low on red. Yeah. We need to get that supplied back up with some red wire, but as long as we know what's going on.
And that little unit that we got on the wall there was a Harbor Freight unit. Yep. And it's really come in handy.
Oh, that's really done us well. We wired a lot of stuff with that wire. A lot of stuff we didn't put on camera, unfortunately.
We actually get a lot of our accessories from Harbor Freight.
Yeah. There's one right here in our town, not too far away from us, and usually get some good deals, and that's what we're always looking for is good deals.
Yep.
I mean, all the stuff that we have on most of these bikes, with the exception of a few things. I mean, we had to buy a few things, obviously, but like this bike here, we bought the frame and the shocks. And if I'm not mistaken, the motor was probably bought at some point, but...
No, actually it was recycled.
Okay, it was a recycle motor, so pretty much the work we do in the shop here, we try not to buy much if we don't have to, but we're not opposed to getting a few things we need.
Right.
I mean, sometimes you have to, you gotta spend money to make things, but...
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna do some heat shrinking.
First thing I want to do is heat down that blue collar right there without melting our fingers. because that's going to kind of hold your wire in place like that.
Another Harbor Freight buy right there, by the way.
Yep. Oh, now we slipped down a little bit. Let's shut that off for a second.
Want that to happen.
Nope. Slipping back in there before we get that locked down. Alright. I have some alligator clips, they call it extra hand, but it's out in my wood carving shop right now, so
Future video.
it's not going to do me much good in here.
Future video on wood carving.
Yep, just keep rotating this, and it looks like it's going to melt right off, but it don't.
Oh, this is amazing. This is way better than the old school way, trust me.
Yep, then that's sealed up pretty good.
Yep, looks solid.
So now we got to do a negative wire.
Move over to this side.
I'm not, do we have any black?
We have brown. So yeah, we still need to.
We haven't even clicked into the brown yet, looks like.
No, not the lighter brown, huh?
Yep, the small stuff too, so. Supposed to feed that through them holes and we never did.
No, we just whip it out of there like
We just whip it
nobody's
out.
business, yeah. Sure.
Just whip it out, bro.
I'm not shy.
Here we go. Got a little piece of ground wash.
Here we go. Without hitting my head on the mirror. Oh, got a little picture of them trophies again.
I was gonna say, when'd you put mirrors on that?
Oh, it wasn't a mirror. It's the handle grip. Whoops.
Oops.
Cut that out of the video.
Yep.
Yeah, no, there's no mirrors.
Nope. Those are actually homemade protectors
Yeah, out of a tire.
out of an old motorcycle tire. I have to be honest, it wasn't my idea. I actually borrowed that idea from another YouTube video, and I can't even remember
Which one?
which one I got it from, but I know it was a girl that works on motorcycles.
Well,
Yep.
we would give props if we could.
We would if we could, yep. I don't remember who she was, but it was pretty cool, so I did it.
Got that locked up. We're gonna get her on the bike here in a minute.
Yep, we'll figure out where we want to put it next. And I think for this, I want to put a red one on one side and a green on the other, so it kind of glows down into here.
Yes, perfect.
That's the plan.
All right, be right back.
So here's our lights. We're gonna wire them down through, right down through here. We're just gonna zip tie the lights in. They don't have to be super secure in there. They just got to be there. It's more for a show.
It's aesthetics.
Yeah.
We just want it to look
Just
pretty
for
cool.
show. This whole bike's kind of a show thing. One thing I did notice is after we got rained out at the last event, we did get some rust on some different things. But the neat thing about a rat bike is rust just adds character.
It does.
So,
Gives it that patina.
yeah. I'm not really stressing about it too much.
No. These actually have lights. We have lights in here too as well. I think one of them might not be working, but it could have been because of the battery issue as well. So
I think it was the battery. We'll find out.
if we could figure out a way to put lights in this rat's eyes, we will probably do that eventually. Because that would be cool.
Yeah, that would be. We might have to try that. The wire's coming through in the wrong place.
Yeah, it usually does.
It's trying to go down. The one is good.
The yellow one's okay, or is it?
Yeah, there, I got it.
Okay.
That's trying to go down through that.
So we're going to take these and we're going to hold these up here for a minute.
All right, so the wire's in.
So we're gonna let's unwrap that from there.
Yep.
See which way is the best way to put them.
I think the green is going to go over there because this one's a little bit shorter.
Okay.
So let's, you want to go around the other side, Vic, and I'll feed this through to you.
Heading there now.
Go right through there.
Oh, I can see it, I think.
Might take me a second to get past everything here.
Yeah.
Let's bend this down out of the way a little bit. There we go.
I feel it's coming through.
If it was easy, everybody'd do it.
Exactly.
All right.
All right. I see it. I see it. Get my fat fingers in there and got it.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
We'll wrap around the switch. All right, go ahead.
All right. So we're through on this side. We'll go back around the other way here, so we can get this here wires zipped.
We're just going to tuck this up underneath here.
Cool.
I'm going to take one of these, and we're going to go through here and around. Ooh. She's springy.
Not springy.
Through here and around. Then we're going to take this and we're just going to tuck it up in there like that. And zipper right there.
Zipper.
Now I wouldn't necessarily have to go around this tube, but I think I decided I wanted to just to
Better for stability reasons.
well, yeah, and it gives that light a little something like a pocket up underneath there to
hide it.
kind of rest in. Yeah.
Plus, there's already one up here, so
Yep.
it just makes it look better because it's a tube.
Yep. So there
snippy,
we go.
Snippy.
I'll grab some snippers. We're still in our bucket from the porch project.
That's another video, so make sure you go watch that one as well.
Then we'll just, I like to, if I can, flip
hide
those
them down
around.
there?
Yeah, so you can't see the end of
Right.
it.
That was
So there's that one.
that's all done.
If I remember right, the last one was a little bit harder, so.
Yeah, it was. It doesn't have that same. It doesn't have that grooved tube to put it over.
Right. Yeah, but we're gonna go right up through here.
And it kind of lays a little different just
Yep.
because of the way the bike is contoured right here, but
It'll still work.
you might be able to see this one a little bit more, but
Right.
it's all really more about just the lights itself.
Yeah.
And it is black, so I mean, it's not like it's going to be.
Yeah, it's not gonna stick out really like a sore thumb or anything. And we could probably put 2 zip ties on these, but I'm just gonna try it with one first.
Because
Yeah.
this bike really, it isn't rode a ton. I mean, it's really more like it was built more for just a show bike, but it does run and it does go down the road. So I mean,
Yeah, you can ride it. We just don't.
we can rip it every now and again just to make sure everything still holds up.
It's if I'm being honest, it's not one of the most comfortable bikes to ride.
But it looks sweet
That it does.
because it's got high octane hot sauce in it,
Yeah, and nice.
and NOS, and NOS,
That's nice.
and we got an extra piston up here just in case.
Yo. Yeah, that was actually the car guys at the car show. They really thought that was a cool idea.
And not to mention, one other little, I mean, I could go around this thing for days, but just in case there's a nuclear fallout, we have a gas mask too.
You want to trade me positions here? Give me the camera, and I'm going to go over and check it out. Go over here and check out the green one. I saw the. Oh yeah.
The purple one actually looks really good too, but I
Yeah.
feel like I'm a Gemini, so I like green.
Yeah. I like it. I think it looks
really
good.
good.
Yep.
Yeah. So we're gonna get these hooked up a little better, just so we can have them keep them on for a minute. We're gonna try to get these. We're gonna get these working as well, so we can give you the full effect of all the lights. That one hooked up? Yes.
Yeah, they're all hooked up. So what we'll do is we'll run those wires straight to the,
battery that's dead.
we'll run them right here to this.
Oh, to the power. Yeah,
To the power. And then we'll just take and use the wires that go to the battery in the bike and run them to this. That way we know it's, working off the bike.
And we'll show you all that fun stuff.
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, now we're hooking the Marine deep cell battery up to the battery that's actually on the bike right now to see if these lights work.
So we're going to go negative here.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh look, even the red ones work.
Yep.
All right, awesome. Let's go check the green one out real quick. Looking good, looking good. Oh yeah, that's a nice mix. That purple and green are a nice mix.
Yep, so then back here you got these as well.
Okay, your little LEDs here
Yep.
and your tail light / brake light.
Alright.
And I don't know if this one, how does this
Yeah, I
one?
don't see headlights, so let's see. Nothing?
Might have to work on that maybe too, a little bit. But hey,
Plus it's been a while since I've,
messed with this. Well,
yeah, so I don't even remember what all works, or what all...
well,
How
we
it
got,
all works.
But the main goal was to get these on, and we did that. So I'll put that other one back there.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna go with this.
Whoa, got a runner.
Got a runner.
Oh no! Skull down. Let me go get that guy. Where did you come from?
All that does is remind me we gotta put that, he was supposed to be,
Mounted?
glued in there, yeah. We never got glued in.
Well, all the little details that, sometimes are neglected because it's just a minor thing. You realize it when they fall on the floor.
Funny part about it is that little skull rode all the way to
Oh, the car show?
the car show
It never fell off.
and never fell off.
It was meant to be.
Yep.